Have you ever done gymnastics? You're literally inches away. Oh my! He's a good listener. All right, guys, we're here today with Han, and he's gonna do his very first
kickflip.
Okay, so we've already started working on this a little bit, but let's backtrack and tell them where we're at. So let's see your ollie. Good, good. How long have you been skating for?
I've been skating for like almost a year.
Almost a year, okay, awesome. And you've never landed a kickflip?
No, never.
Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna show you the practice step. Stand on the board, drag that foot up, and it's all in the ankle right here. You're gonna lift your ankle. Good. Now, when you drag, make it more on your toe here, and then get it to here, and now ankle up. You feel that motion? Do it again. Boom. Now we're gonna do that 5 times. 1, 2, good, yeah, hit my hand. 3, 4, 5. Now, you want to, next, we're gonna do pop it, flick it, step off with your back foot. Good. That was really close. This is really close. Do it again. Step off the back foot, put the front foot on. Oh my word! Okay, you can land it.
Okay.
Now, the only thing that's left is you bend your back knee and land both feet on.
Okay.
Okay, you got that. Oh, bro! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'd have been out for a month with that, just so we know. Yeah, literally. Okay, it's close. Okay, random question. Have you ever done gymnastics?
Never.
Okay, sometimes people that are training gymnastics train to land with their feet like that. That's why I asked. I want to do another drill where have your feet off and then land on the bolts, both feet. Okay, again, we're gonna do this 3 times. Boom, okay, one more time. Good, now, you got that? See how that feels?
Yeah.
Now kickflip and land like that. It's close. It's close. He's right there. I want you to be careful because when your board lands like this and your back foot is like that, there's a chance you could roll your ankle. So be careful for that. That's a bad injury. So keep your knees high, let the board spin, and put it on. You're literally inches away. The back one? Yeah, you gotta watch for that. Okay, let's take it back. Do 5 of these again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see how that feels in your ankle. The whole point of this is you're building muscle memory. Now, do this one. Step off of your back foot. Okay, good. Again, repeat it again. Again. Okay, are you ready? Bend the back foot, put both feet on. You got it. So brutally close. When you commit, the board is spinning a little bit slower. So you need to have the same flick that you have when you're stepping off. Oh, it's so freaking close. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go through it. That's 1, like that. And then we're gonna do this one. And then from there, yeah, do that practice step again. Good. Now from there, we're gonna bend the back knee and put it on. Oh my word! Oh, you got it, bro, you got it. When you land, keep those knees bent. Do not be shy about bending those knees. Oh my, okay, you got it. Okay, we're good, okay? You ready? We're gonna do I'm gonna do 1, I got it, and then you get my back. Oh! You're close, right?
Do you know why my board keeps turning the other way?
Yes, because your upper body is turning that way a little bit. So you can keep your shoulders more square so you're not turning, and it'll stop that turn.
Oh yeah.
He's a He's a good listener. That's what it is. Now you're just popping too high. Relax, breathe. You got me nervous out here. Okay, that was good. You know why? Because you landed with both feet. Now, let's go back. Let's do 3 of these. 3 of those. Wow, it looks so good. So good. Okay, did you eat your Wheaties this morning?
Did I what?
Eat your Wheaties this morning.
No, I didn't eat anything.
They're way too young for that joke. Even Gabe didn't get it. Okay,
I got it.
land it. It's like an old commercial for cereal. Like you eat your Wheaties in the morning like you're ready to go.
I got it. I just didn't want to admit it.
Okay. Bro, you got it. Okay, now what? Back to the practice step 3 times. Okay, good. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, good. Do it one more practice step. Okay, you ready? You're gonna land it now. You ready to land it?
Yes.
Okay, land it. Oh! Oh! I knew it! He's got it out here, let's go! That was so good!
Thank you.
Well done!
My first kickflip.
First kickflip ever, right here. We got it. Okay, that was awesome. There's nothing that I love more than watching a person go through the steps and landing their first ever kickflip. This is a life-changing moment because people will practice this for hours and hours and hours, days, weeks, months, years, and then to finally just land it and have it click between, oh, wow, I can do it. Pop it, spin the board, land, it's incredible. So get out there, ride your skateboard, learn to ride your skateboard, and have an absolute blast. We'll see you in the next video.